morning students, welcome back again to our channel. Today this is the part 4th video and the last video of the same chapter number 3rd, synthetic fiber and the plastics. Yes, in all 3 videos we have seen about the synthetic fiber and the type and the characteristics. So today in this video I am going to start the new topic of this chapter, that is plastic. Yes, this is a very quite familiar word with you and you have heard this word many a times. Okay, plastic, yes, you have heard many times in the school, at your home, whenever you are going for the shopping, etc, etc. So here the plastic is harmful or it's useful, what it is. See, it's up to us okay, how we are taking the plastic, how we are using it, how we are whenever we are going for the shopping, the shopkeepers are giving the things in the polythene bag only. Anytime if people have said to the shopkeeper, no need to give plastic bag to me, give me the cloth bag or the jute bag instead of plastic bag. No, never we have told, and we will not tell even. We are taking that polythene bag with us and here and there we are throwing that same polythene bag. So if we will throw the polythene bag here and there, so what will happen? The pollution will increase. Now who is responsible for that pollution? Yes, we human beings only. We human beings only are the responsible for that pollution. If we will not throw the polythene bags over there on the road, so the garbage will not increase. Sometimes we have seen okay, we are giving the food to the domestic animals like cows. So what we are doing, we are giving the food in the plastic bags and we are tying the plastic bag tightly. Now if you are giving the food to animals, so what is your duty? To give them properly, or else no need to give to them. If we will give the food in the plastic to them, so what they will do, they will eat the food along with the plastic bag. So it will उनकी body में बेटा problem हो सकती है अंदर. Yes, so plastic, see it's plastic is हम सबके घर में होते हैं, like a plastic containers, plastic bottles, lunch box, water bottles, compass box, each and everything are made up of plastic. Sleepers, the list is endless of the things which are made up of plastic. Yes, we all are using also the buckets which are there in your home. So these all things are made up of plastic, but it up to us how we are using. See, polythene bags if you will take from that shopkeeper, so what it will increase the abundance of the plastic. उसका प्लास्टिक का यूज क्रिएट ज्यादा होता ही जाएगा. Some plastic you have seen that they can bend easily. Some plastic you have seen if you will try to bend them तो वो destroy हो जाते हैं, वो टूट जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो many articles are there जो easily bend हो जाते हैं. Many articles are like that, अगर आप उनको bend करते हो तो वो break down हो जाते हैं. So plastic are of two types, thermoplastic and thermostable plastic. Yes, plastic are of two types. Now what is the meaning of thermoplastic? That kind of plastic which can bend easily and deformed on the heating are known as thermoplastic. जो प्लास्टिक easily deform हो जा रहा है हीटिंग पर और easily वो जो प्लास्टिक बेटा, the plastic which get deformed on the heating and can be bent easily से वो bend हो जा रहा है, तो that are known as the thermoplastic. Thermostable plastic means that kind of plastic which cannot bend, which cannot even cool down once you have molded into the shape. On the heating also they will not change their shape. Heating में भी उनका shape change नहीं होगा. That are known as the thermostable plastic. Example of thermoplastic, polythene and the PVC are the example of thermoplastic. As you have seen the examples of the thermoplastic, that polythene and the PVC are the example for the thermoplastic. Then you have seen about the thermostable plastic means if once they have molded into any shape, so it will not change their shape even on the heating. So the example of the thermostable plastics are bakelite and the melamine. Bakelite and the melamine are the two examples of the thermostable plastic. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. That's why it is used for making the electric switches and some we can say handle of the utensils. It's a poor conductor of electricity, so it is used in making the switches and the handles of the various utensils. Melamine is a versatile, we can say, plastic. It can tolerate the heat compared to the other kind of plastic, compared to the thermoplastic. वो tolerate कर सकता है heat melamine as compared to the thermoplastic. So melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat as compared to the other. So they are using for the kitchen wares, floor tiles, and the fabrics which resist the fire. So bakelite and the melamine are the two, we can say, thermosting plastics are there. So just keep in mind about these two type of plastic. Moving to the next now, characteristics of the plastic. Plastic is material of choice. As we are saying कि yes, it is harmful for us. It is not environment friendly, but then also ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आज हम प्लास्टिक यूज नहीं करेंगे? We are using that plastic. Yes, we are using the plastics. So it is a material of our choice only. Number of items are there which we are using. The list is totally endless, we can say. Why we are using the plastic? See, because it is a cheap, easy handling, being lighter, lightweight, lower price, easy handling है. For that of these characteristics are there, because of that we are using the plastic. एक तो प्राइस कम है, डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ डिजाइन एंड कलर्स वी आर गेटिंग इनटू गेट, लाइट वेट है, ड्यूरेबल है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द प्लास्टिक एंड इट इज अ मटेरियल ऑफ आवर चॉइस ओनली. Many things, many type of containers we are using at our homes to store the dry food, even the slippers, furniture, decoration pieces, we are using of the plastic only. So plastic is material of our choice only. The four characteristics I have told, that's why we are purchasing the plastic. Lightweight, then different kind of varieties and colors we are getting, strong it is, and the lightweight. Because of these four characteristics, plastic is very much popular. Now moving to the characteristic, the first one characteristic we can say, okay, it is non-reactive. Plastic is non-reactive. Non-reactive means कोई reaction नहीं होता है. As if you will keep the iron piece in the outside with the air and the water, when it will get moisture, तो वो rot होना start हो जाएगा, मतलब उस पर जंग लग जाएगी. ठीक है, you have seen also the iron, अगर आप उसको बाहर रखोगे तो उसके ऊपर जंग लग जाएगी. But plastic को ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. You know that metals like iron get corroded easily when they exposed to the moisture. बट प्लास्टिक उनमें से बेटा ऐसा मटेरियल नहीं है कि जिसको कोई भी रिएक्शन हो जाएगा. इफ यू विल कीप इट एनीवेयर, नथिंग विल हैपन टू द प्लास्टिक्स, नथिंग विल हैपन टू द प्लास्टिक्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई द प्लास्टिक आर यूज्ड फॉर storing the many items. I have told for the storing the dry food also we are using the plastic containers. Even many chemicals, for storing many chemicals we are using the plastic, because it is non-reactive. इस पे कोई reaction नहीं होता है. It is light and strong. Plastic is light as well as it is strong. Yes, plastic is very much lightweight. Just ask from your grandparents and parents which kind of buckets they are using in their ancient times. Yes, buckets which are made of the steel जो बनी होती वो most of use करते थे. But nowadays we all are using the buckets which are made up of plastic, because it has a lightweight. I have told different kind of colors we are getting into that. Okay, different kind of colors at cheap price. That's why we are using this plastic. Since plastic is very light, strong, durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes, it is used for various purpose. Generally, plastic are generally we can say cheap than the other metals. They are widely used in industry for the household articles. They are used for the household articles. It is cheap than the other metals. It is light and is as well as it is strong. Plastic is also a poor conductors. Plastic are known as the poor conductors. Now what is the meaning of poor conductor? Means they are known as the poor conductors of the heat and the electricity. That's why electric switches are made up of plastic only. और मेरा इलेक्ट्रिक वायर देखियो कि बाहर से उनके प्लास्टिक की कवर नहीं होती है, जो हम which we are using, that we can say Handles of the screwdrivers. Handles of the screwdrivers are also made up of plastic because they are the poor conductors of the heat. They are the poor conductors. Plastic are the poor conductors, non-reactive, light and strong. These are the three characteristics. That's why we are using the plastic. So I hope you understood about it, what plastic it is. So here I have completed the fully chapter about synthetic fibers and the plastic. So I hope you understood. Very much easy chapter it was according to me. Only the 4 type of fibers we have studied, and the very much easy topic, that is plastic, which you have studied from the lower grades only. So I hope you understood the chapter number 3. Whatever doubt if you are having related to this video or any other parts of the video of this chapter, so you can ask from me on the online sessions. PDF soon I will send to you of the same chapter number 3, synthetic fiber and plastic. So write it very neatly in a proper handwriting. You have to write, and don't write only beta, just start learning also of the chapters which we have completed. Learn all the question answers, detail, whatever the things are there in the workbook exercise, all you have to complete. Okay, in both first and second chapter we have done with the diagrams. If any diagram, if I will think, so I will send you message for the diagram, that same you have to draw in your notebook of the diagram which you have made. So here I am going to end this video and as well as the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.